It's West African chicken stew on the menu tonight on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole. Oh, got a bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a pickup truck, but she's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making West African chicken stew. This recipe is courtesy of Taste of Home. If you don't know what we do, guys, you go online, find yourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick stuff up, bake it. Simple as that. Doing it all year. This is 112, I think, of our 365-day cooking challenge. We're also attempting a world record. The world record we're attempting is cooking a different dish off the internet consecutive nights without ever repeating. We've been doing that for 41 days, 51 days now, sorry. It's been a great time. You might wonder what's the difference between that and the 365-day cooking challenge. Well, I've documented this part. I didn't document the rest of it, so hey, whatever. Now let's get going on this stew. So I'm going to start with cooking our chicken, guys. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And our chicken. We cook that until it's no longer pink. Now we got our onions. We can cook until tender. Now our onions are soft. We're going to throw our garlic in and our ginger, and cook for a minute or two until fragrant. So now we're going to add our cayenne pepper, our majority of our time, 1.5 teaspoons. Sweet potatoes, our peas, our tomato sauce, or crushed tomatoes, sorry. And our peanut butter. Never made a dish with peanut butter in it, so this is interesting. And we're going to cook that with our broth. About 20 minutes until our potatoes are done. Let that simmer. So now we're going to add our chicken back and cook till it's heated thoroughly. Alright, welcome back, guys. Our West African chicken stew is done, and it's looking great, I might add. Kind of intrigued by it, to tell you the truth. Got a little bit of rice there with it, why not? It seemed the right thing to do. Said it was the right thing to do, so I guess it was the right thing to do. Let's see, this is like... It's really good. Not bad at all. Not a whole really spicy or anything like that, but it's good. I like that. That's not bad at all. I like it. Anyway, let's take a look at the date and time, guys. It is the 24th of April, Friday. Friday, 24th of April at 6:25 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores. If you like what you're seeing, guys, make sure you throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Well, anything you want to see me cook. Like, I mean, maybe it's these Africans do. I don't know. But just throw in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Been another Cooking with Jon, guys. Bye for now. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making West African chicken stew. This recipe is courtesy of Taste of Home. So we're doing